with today's big market sell-off, one of my next guests thinks everyone and their mother should invest in hard assets. So we'll ask, is now the time to move your money to cash, real estate, energy, and gold? Lance Roberts, welcome to the Kudlow Report. Why are you so keen on assets, gold, energy, real estate? You sound either like you're expecting, what, a 15 or 20% inflation, or the end of the world, or what?
No, not at all, actually. And I actually agree with your guest here that this initial correction here, something we wrote about yesterday, is probably going to probably have already reached most of this correction part here. Now, as we get into the summer, the issues are going to be a little bit different as we start to run out of a lot of the liquidity issues from the LTROs and the ECB fundings, as well as the quantitative easing programs coming out of the Fed. So that liquidity dry up may lead to a further correction this summer. No, what we're talking about here is as part of your overall portfolio, you should have fixed income in your portfolio to protect against, basically create income streams, to protect principal. You need to definitely have issues with stocks. They need to be in your portfolio. But as part of your portfolio, your overall allocation, things that produce income and have a real underlying asset that's there for you, oil and gas, real estate, gold, these things have a value that regardless of what the market does, they have a long-term value and should be part of the portfolio's diversification.
All right. And precious metals make a lot of sense here, Larry. You know, if you take a look at what's likely to come this summer, I think a little bit more weakness in the soft market, maybe a little bit more weakness in some of the economic data. That's going to bring QE3. It's probably not that far away in terms of when Ben Bernanke starts to hint about it. That's going to hurt the dollar. You've got the Fed on your side. You've got probably a bit of a flight to quality effect here with what's going on with Europe. A lot of things could drive more money into precious metals. They are probably through a lot of this correction, even more so than we are with the stock market.
I devoutly hope you're wrong about QE3, but I agree with what you're saying. I mean, if the Fed starts pumping again, the dollar will really hemorrhage. And you know what will happen, Jeff, what happened a year ago. Energy will blow sky higher, gold will go up, all the commodities and metals go up. But, Jeff, I think that would be very negative ultimately for stocks and the economy.